Back to another video. In today's video we are going down to Shift 305, Culture Alliance, and I think Shift Arcade. I forgot who the third one is, but it is three of those crews hosting a meet down in Miami at the REC Cola Factory for the city of Miami, which is pretty nice because it gets to show the city of Miami what we have to offer. So we are meeting up with Juan and Culture Alliance right now at Cali Coffees. Supposed to be there at 7:15. Fashionably late as always, but we will be there on time. So, catch up when we get there. Been helping set up a little bit, but got the Culture Alliance booth. A nice little Type R. 34. You got Juan's car. We got the boat. They got some classics now pulling in. It's around like 9:30, 11. I mean 9:30, 10. Nice old school Celica. Thank you, Rav. Marlboro. I think these are both Marlboro, yep. Me with the all-wheel drive Altezza. No, you're good, you're good. Purple Rab with stocky. Call it stocky. You got some real VIP bills here. Generisto. Nice 240. And you got Mr. Calvin here on the Meisters. Black on black. Carbon wheel. Duckbill. RK titanium exhaust. Got my car over here. Another one of the Supras. And then you got this SIR. Very rare. EF? I'm not sure. EF? Nice little Trans Am from our American boys out there. And a nice little Evo, wingless Evo on some slicks. Fuck with it. Might just fuck around and find out. An LC 500. Yeah, Mr. Fabian's Evo 10. At first I wasn't the biggest fan of Evo 10s, but the more and more I spend time around it, it does grow on me more. That's their Ferrari. Got Mr. David with the FK8. Hi, Papa. What's up? Got Mushiron. Wicked build. V8 SL. Shit's nice. Old school Recaro. SLC, yeah. So I was just parking one of the boys' cars. One of those C's cars. But it's mainly a event for city of Miami, for all of the first responders and all of that. The Z06 and Stingray action. Got some vets out here. That was C8. That was a C8. These are one of the sponsors out there. Shift Arcade. They're actually powering it all off the Tesla, which is dope. But they're down in Miami, have all the sims in the world. Racing, drifting, full motion. They brought one out here to showcase what they can do, or what they have really. And if you're gonna get a little bit of seat time before it gets packed, and we might pull up later. So about one of the boys are running the Sims right now. We're gonna take a little look around what's in here. Got some. I'm surprised they actually got lighting in here. That's nice. Got a bunch of vets. And you got a GTR 50th. Not the biggest fan on the color scheme, but each your own. The STO. I like the fade on it. Lil P. I like when they keep it exposed, because then they allow, well, when they do have the carbon roof, it does just flow nice as one. For R8. GT3. Another one. 4C. Shit's nice. I've actually worked on this one. Yeah. I've worked on this one, so. I think I did service. Oh no, I did the compressor on this one. This is the one I did a compressor on, so. They're all pretty like technical cars, but they are nice. And one more GT3. She's trying to blend in. We were gonna go get some coffee, but then saw the GR. Nathan.
It's gonna be a great time.
Nathaniel, or
Go hang out, tell them to do the little conversation.
that's the Z06, yellow. Q50, Q60 matching wraps. Not the biggest fan of these cars, but yeah, it's another 720, well not another, but 720S. I like them in all black. It's all about all black cars that just mark. They're Mark IV action on Meisters. See, I feel like this is a prime example of like a Supra build. Proper fitment, everything's done right, clean, and what cherry on top is right-hand drive. Controversy because USDM cars are worth more, but from the motherland themselves. So. Gen 1 Viper. Oh no, I thought it was a Gen 1. I think it was a Gen 2? Gen 2, Gen 3? Nah, Gen 3. Cherry Blossom F12. Another GT3. Another example of a nice Supra. This was left-hand drive. Got the whole bike gang out here. I do like the yellow. The yellow does match the Supra. Got some RMC cars out here. Nice 32. Nice Testarossa. Another one. The GT500 build. That Bayside Blue R33. You rarely see them in this color. Shit, rapping. If you saw my Tuner Evo video, you saw this NSX. Another big turbo bug eye, a Hawkeye. Nah, this shit's ready to fuck. Evo 5 in yellow on my wheels. Nice little 33 in midnight purple. The top secret wheels. They got Vibrant Forges area over here. Mr. Pool's car. I wonder how he got all his windows equally down. Interesting. Nice little wagon. And with the Red Bull car, you got the Red Bull. So yeah, they had them pull out, hop out. Giving out some free Red Bulls. Yeah, that's the door. GT4 Ferrari. Might as well try to show it and try to talk over the audio. But that shit's wicked. I think it's SL. Wrapping up now. What if I just got in there, huh? I see the key there. How far do you think I could get? Hey, how far do you think I could get? The key's in there. Huh? How far do you think I could get? The key's in it.
Probably like right there.
Got the mad scientist in the building. at Daytona. Nah, definitely not Daytona. So we left RC Cola, went to go grab some food before going to Shift Arcade. But a little spot in Miami. You got a little Harley Quinn over there. Well, everyone's out here trying to fucking get some food right now. That's Harley Quinn's nice though. Auto, I think it's the original. And you have the SLC. I think this is the this is the one that had the V8 in it. So we just devoured some food at Shift Arcade at the taco spot, and we finna get on some Sim soon. So 2 for 2 for no outros. Come on, how to do better. But as you can see, that was a very, very intense day. It didn't look like it. I know the video is only like 17, 18 minutes long, but it was a very, very packed day. We were there early in the morning, all the way till about, we were at Shift Arcade for 7, 8 o'clock. So we definitely enjoyed that day. So if you do like more days like this, do like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. There are definitely a lot more coming soon. So stay tuned.